You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find rear view camera, cruise control, child safety locks, multifunction display, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering, tachometer, one-touch windows, 2 audio, speed sensitive volume control, engine hour meter. Come take a test drive today.